Good morning. Thank you for tuning in to another morning therapy with Barry B. Today we're going to talk about how to create positive affirmations for yourself and why having positive affirmations is so important in the first place. Make sure you watch this video all the way to the end because this skill of creating positive affirmations can literally change your life. It can help you to generate the financial wealth that you've always wanted. It can transform your body in any way that you want it to, whether that be losing weight, gaining weight, or just overall feeling better about yourself. If you've been looking for a certain partner in a relationship, physically, mentally, emotionally, it can bring them into your life. And if you're trying to overcome an unpleasant mental experience, it can help you get past that barrier that you keep running into. So make sure you stay tuned all the way to the end. But real quick before we get started, I want you to hop down in the comments and let me know a goal that you have for yourself that you're determined to achieve in the year 2021. Let's talk about it. And let's see how these positive affirmations that we learn how to formulate and put into practice can help you to achieve that goal. So I'll give you a couple of seconds. Drop down in those comments right down there and let me know what your 2021 goal is. Also, while you're down in the comment section, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button so that you can stay up to date on all the mental health tips and tricks that are coming from a therapist that's young and not too far removed from the culture. By you hitting that subscribe and that like, this helps me to be able to continue pushing out content like this. So if you really enjoy this and you want to see me keep on pushing out content, please hit that subscribe and that like. It is appreciated. So let's hop right into it. First things first, what are affirmations and why are they so important? In short, an affirmation is pretty much what you think about the world around you and the people that are around you as well, including yourself. Believe it or not, we have affirmations whether or not we were intentional with creating them or we're not. There's positive and there's negative affirmations that we develop usually when we're very young, and they come from our parental figures. Positive affirmations are usually developed from healthy parenting and a parent allowing a child to function independently and autonomously within age-appropriate boundaries. On the other hand, negative affirmations are usually developed from traumatic experiences. And these traumatic experiences can not only happen when you're young, but they also happen all throughout your life. In cognitive behavioral therapy, these are what are known as core beliefs, but we're not going to get too much into that. If you are somebody who's experienced a lot of trauma and have developed a lot of negative affirmations about yourself and about the world around you, it takes continuous and intentional work in order to override those negative affirmations and replace them with positive ones. So let's dive right in and learn how to create these positive affirmations to achieve the goals and the dreams that we always have been striving for. First things first, grab a piece of paper and a pen. It's critical to physically write them down first before you transfer them into any type of digital copy. The importance in this is that you're physically manifesting these things. You have to be about manifestation. So grab a pen and paper. Second step, take about 5 minutes and think about things that you really struggle with or you just want to achieve. On the back side of your paper, write these things down. Again, take about 5 minutes. Pause the video right here and take 5 minutes to brainstorm and write down the things that you want to achieve or that you really struggle with. Okay, so the next step after you have that list is now you have to create your affirmations. You'll take your list of brainstorm things that you wrote down on the back of the paper and create affirmations for them. So, for example, if one of the things you struggle with is getting in shape and having a better diet, one of your affirmations could be, I will eat healthy, I am healthy. That can be an affirmation out of, I want better health, or I can't get in shape. Another example would be, if you're having bad grades in school and on the back of the paper you wrote, I want to get better grades. An affirmation for that could be, I am diligent, I am smart, I can achieve good grades. Or let's take another example. If one of the things that you're struggling with is wondering why you're living and what the purpose of life is, an affirmation for yourself could be, life is worth living, I have a purpose. So go through your list and create affirmations. You want to have about 5 to 10 affirmations. So take 5 minutes, pause this video, and get those affirmations going. Okay, so now that you have your list, you've made it to the last step. Your final step is going to be putting these affirmations into practice twice a day. What you're going to want to do is set aside time 2 times each day. And what I recommend is in the morning as soon as you wake up and at night right before you go to bed to recite these affirmations. How you're going to recite them is going to be in the mirror because you want this process to be very intimate. So if you have a bathroom mirror or a bedroom mirror, those are perfect places to recite these affirmations. Next, you're going to say these affirmations 10 times in the mirror. Saying each one of these affirmations 10 times shouldn't take you any longer than 5 minutes. And it's going to be important that you dictate at least 21 days consistently to making sure that you state these affirmations twice a day, 10 times each, because it takes about 21 days to form a habit, and you want these affirmations to penetrate your subconscious, because once they penetrate your subconscious, you now are going to be able to reaffirm each situation that you want to see yourself achieve. From here, you'll be able to see the law of attraction in work, and it's going to be awesome. You're going to be like, yo, how is my life changing this way? And all of the credit is going to go to you and your subconscious mind because you have implanted these positive affirmations within you. That money that you wanted to achieve is going to hit your hand. Your palm's going to be itchy. You don't have an itchy palm because that money's going to be touching down. That body that you wanted, you're going to be flexing in the mirror every single day. Body goals. That woman or that man that you wanted, you gonna be showing them off on IG like it ain't nothing. Relationship goals. Make sure that you put these affirmations into practice. I promise you, you will not be upset with the results that you get. So, real quick, let me know down in the comments what your strongest affirmation is and what you really are geared towards achieving. And also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and drop a like on this video for all the updates on mental health tips and tricks from a therapist who's not too far removed from the culture, and to elevate your game. I promise you. And I appreciate you for tuning in to another morning therapy with Barry B.